Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials or beauty related videos, and a little bit of DIY in between. For today's video, I kind of had an idea behind it, but I wanted to almost expand on that. I made a Colourpop order. Shocker that this video is about Colourpop. Is anybody even shocked anymore? I don't know, but within that order, I did get 2 of the newest Supernova Shadows, which I did put on my eyes today because I not only wanted to show you the 2 that I got, even though there is 5, I did want to also be informative and a little bit of fun to watch, because why else do we watch YouTube? We watch it because it's fun to watch and informative. I do have these on my eyes right now, so not only did I show you a makeup tutorial to go along with these guys, swatches of these guys, as well as my thoughts and opinions on them, I also want to include all of the other Supernova Shadows I have in my collection. So I will be going through all of the colors, showing you guys swatches of them, comparing them if need be, and that is all. So if you want to know how I achieved this eye look, as well as the swatches of the new ones that I have in my collection, as well as the rest of them that I have in my collection, then just keep watching. First, I'm starting out with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk as my base, as per usual. I'm going to be starting out with Fairy Tale in my crease with a fluffy brush and just blending that out. I'm then coming in with Instyler from Makeup Geek as my transition shade. It's just going to make it blend more seamlessly into my skin. Just going back and forth between the 2 shades until I have my desired effect. As for my lid, I'm coming in with Unexpected, again by Makeup Geek. Then with a more dense, less fluffy brush and Fairy Tale, I'm coming into the crease to concentrate the color better into the crease. So add depth. Coming in with a black liner, I'm just going to be lining my waterline and bringing it down a little bit as a base. Coming back in with a packing brush and Stealth from Makeup Geek, I'm going to be running that under my waterline over top of the base I just put down. Then further coming in with Fairy Tale to blend that out even more, and to further bring everything together. Now that I've got my base down, I'm going to be coming in with both Lucky Penny and From the Valley. I'm going to be starting out with Lucky Penny from my corner tear duct area, and then diffusing it into From the Valley. It might be a mistake, but I kind of want to put this on my lower lashes. Now just time for some mascara, obviously only on my top lashes because I already have some glitter on the bottoms. I was gonna put eyeliner on today, but I kind of like how this turned out without it. It's almost galactic. It's like dark and sultry. The only ones I found even remotely similar in my collection to the newest ones is From the Valley to Moonlit. Now to specify, the only reason I find these similar is just because they are in the broadest spectrum, such a loosely used word right now. They are purple. However, in the swatches that you are currently seeing, you'll find that these swatches do not do this justice. I don't believe that you can even see how duochrome this shade is. It does genuinely have a base of silver, which you can definitely see by the swatch. But at the same time, it does have some teal and purple reflex, which is how I think that it goes so well with Moonlit. That is the only one that I have found that is even remotely similar, and that is, again, just because it is in the broad spectrum of purple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!